Hey everybody, my name is Steve, and as you can see behind me, I got my kayak on the wall and a little skiff here. I spend a lot of time on the water, and because I do, to keep all my stuff dry, I need to have dry bags. So today I thought we would take a look at this Holoana dry bag. All right, first look at the bag. You can see that this is a 15-liter bag, has a roll top enclosure, and it comes with a strap. All right, for anyone that may be interested in the dimensions of this 15-liter bag, you're looking at 21 inches long or 21 inches deep, and it is 14 inches across. You can see that there is a lot of room, has a nice wide opening. You can get a lot of gear inside this bag. So the main thing for me when I'm using a dry bag is obviously it has to protect my gear. So we're going to do a water test. I'm going to put a roll of toilet paper inside the bag, and then we're going to submerge it and see just how well this bag does. All right, I'm going to drop it in the water. All right, I'm going to simulate that it's floating around in the water and getting splashed and waves and stuff like that. All right, now I'm going to take it out. I don't want any of the moisture on the outside of the bag to get inside on that toilet paper to give it a fair test. All right, so let's open it up. And we're good. We're completely dry. There's been no water intrusion whatsoever. Okay folks, that is it. That's the Holoana 15-liter dry bag. Passed my test. I was very happy that there was no water got in. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's been helpful for you.